Good day! It's another day. It's another day of day. Today is Tuesday, May 14. Nag-duty ako kahapon. One day lang, di ba? Galing tayong, galing tayong 8 days off. 1 day duty and another 2 days off. O, di ba? Ang galing. Ang galing. So, ayun guys. And it's already, oh my God, 2:30 PM na. Ngayon ako nag-start mag-vlog guys. Actually, lumabas ako. Pero hindi lang ako nag-vlog again. Kasi medyo nahirapan akong mag-bit-bit ng mga gamit. Kasi pumunta ako sa Asia Store. Meron ako nabili doon. Meron lang akong hinahanap. Hindi na lang din ako nag-haul. Diba? Kasi maliit lang din naman. Mga 5 piraso lang. Tapos meron akong sinaglit na yung sa DHL. Kasi meron akong pinick up na package. Kahapon sana na-deliver pero walang tao dito kasi may duty ako kahapon. Tapos si partner, umalis siya ng afternoon. So, walang tao dito. Tapos mga kapitbahay siguro walang nag-open. Pinick up ko na lang sa branch. So, ayun. Kaya ako nag-vlog for today. I-haul ko na lang kung ano ang package na pinick up ko today. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like buying something lang na for me and as for my reward na I work hard at charot.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, yes daw, I deserve daw kung sabi ni partner, di ba? So, and then wala naman ako masyadong, nakapagpadala na naman ako sa Pinas, tapos meron akong sobrang konti. So, binili ko for me. Actually guys, na-open ko siya. Ngayon pa lang ko siya na-open. Tapos sabi ko, i-vlog ko na lang para meron naman akong content. Diba? Pero hindi ko siya na-open each. Ito lang yung pack lang na, yung plastic lang yung in-open ko. This is from my first Shein haul. So, this is my first Shein haul. Yan, nag-order ako sa Shein guys. Nag-try lang kung maganda ba siya. And I'm excited. Are you excited? What did I bought?
About mine.
Umalis din pala si partner kanina kasi meron din siyang pinick up na sa kanya kasi I think last Monday may nag-deliver tapos wala daw tao dito nga. Nandito lang naman kami nung Monday. So nagbigay lang yun ng note na yung package niya is kailangan niyang i-pick up doon sa branch. Libro ang sa kanya guys. Libro ang sa kanya. Book for him. Can I? Because there was subscribers who asked which author you read most of the time.
I'm reading books about history.
History.
So different authors.
Different kinds of authors.
Yeah.
For
history
example,
and biology.
Yeah, history. Yeah, so
astronomy.
Yeah. History, biology, astronomy, and religion.
Religion.
So he reads with different kinds of authors, guys.
But always scientific authors. So not.
For example, give one. This one.
Yeah.
Michael.
No, yeah, that's it's
Okay.
encyclopedia, and it's
so like this guys. This is about encyclopedia. Gemek guys. Evolution. So diba nung mga my God 19 forgotten mga million years ago, diba? Ito yung mga evolution, right? Or this is the new generation. So like this guys. Biology na naman. So yun. Well, I'm doing my haul na nga sa Shein. So first, medyo to guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items.
Oh my God. I only have one.
But that's expensive.
No, 20 euros. And you?
This is 80 euros.
Oh. Yeah, you deserve more.
You have to pay for it. No. So first, diba, Shein. Ganito talaga ang packing ng Shein, no? Diba? Shein. First time, this is my first time sa Shein, guys. So yeah, diba? Ang ganda ng packaging nila, no? May mga ganito talaga. Look at the packaging.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. It's nice. Ito, guys, is maganda. This is better than the one I ordered. I mean, the quality of the cloth is better than the one I ordered last time.
Yeah.
That's
last time was very cheap.
Yeah, and maganda and then the tahi. It's very good. It's very good. It's not so Maganda siya pala. Oh my God.
Choice, yeah.
It's a good choice. So, meron tayo ditong pang-summer na pants. Actually, guys, XS na to, guys. Ang liit na niya. Pero, ang taas pa din niya sa akin. Ang ganda. Pang Pinas to, of course. And I can also use this here in Germany. But, guys, again, I have to resize it by myself. Ang ganda niya. Oh my God, first time ko mag-Shein. Ang ganda ng cloth. Oh my God. I didn't expect this. Really. Charot kayo, no? Charot kayo si RC. Buset. And the second one, oy, hindi siya ano, plastic lang. Shein ba to? Yes, Shein kaya ito lahat. This one, guys, is tote bag. Again. Natatawa na naman si partner kasi last time nag-order ako ng 3 tote bag. Hindi ko na lang din nag-vlog kasi eto guys, look at this. It's very cute.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. You know, so.
Nay, something like cat, something like Catwoman or something. I don't know.
Okay.
Ang ganda niya. Look at this. Oh my God. Maganda siya sa ano siya guys ha? Sa panlalaki talaga ako naghanap ng mga tote bag. So, men's tote bag, ganon. Nag-search ako tapos itong binigay nila na ano, choices. Madami pa doon actually. Madami pa ako talaga ang nagustuhan doon na tote bag. Pero, mamaya na lang. Next, mamaya na lang. Uy, ang ganda niya. Oh, I like it very much. Akala ko malaki pero tamang-tama lang siya guys. Oh my God. And the third one. Another packaging book. From Shein again. Shein nga to lahat eh, di ba? Another, guys, pants. Uy, para siyang ano. Mas gusto ko ang tela na to, kasi parang cotton. Cotton talaga siya. Ito para siyang satin eh. Maganda naman siya. Maganda din naman eh. Uy, ang ginaw. Maganda yung quality of course. Ang ganda talaga sa Shein, no? First time. Maganda din talaga sa Shein. My God. Ang ganda talaga. Look at this. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Panlalaki to guys ha. Hindi to ano. Yes. Another one. I don't know. Naano lang talaga ako sa mga ganito. Suddenly nagka-interest ako sa mga ganitong pants. Kahit na ang liit ko tingnan pag nag-jeans ako. So again, tatahiin ko na naman to para kumasya naman siya sa size ko. As in, ang ganda ng ano niya. That's the third one. The fourth one. Ay, okay. This is bag organizer. I need bag organizer, guys, actually. Diba? Meron tayong bag organizer. You know where to use this?
No.
For example, I will use my tote bag. And if I will put all the things here, you will... Oh, where was it? And then when you put your things here,
Yeah.
and then put it here, then it's easier for you to find something, you know.
Also for the thieves, it's easy.
There's a zipper.
Oh.
My God. So ayun, di ba? Bumili ako. Ang dami niyang malalagyan. Anyways, di ba? I think this is for my work. Nagamitin ko yan sa trabaho ko. Actually, I bought 2. 2 organizers yung binili ko, guys. Ba't ang laki nito?
Okay.
Ang laki niya. Maliit lang to sa ano. Hindi ko binasa yung size. Maganda kasi siya tingnan. Pero ang laki niya. Ay, 2 pala. It's 2 pala. This one fits here. Kasi mas malaki. Yung blue kasi, yun nga, yung blue is for my work lang, di ba? So, eto. Uy, kasya lang siya, guys. Oh my God. I like it na. Di ba? Oh, andyan na yung ating organizer.
Good.
Eto pala, dun sa loob ng Uy, may din siya, oh. Taray. Sa center pala to siya, guys. Yes, sa center of this bag because there's a... Look, you can... Yeah, it's this. Clip-in.
Yeah.
Sa center pala siya,
It will
guys.
stick.
Yeah. Okay. Now I know.
Oh, that's good.
So, ganyan pala siya, guys.
Wow, that's cool.
We'll put it here. And then it's easier when I change bags. I'll just take this, you know, and then put in another bag. Ah, charot kayo. Oh my God, what happened to me? So, ayan, di ba? Asa na tayo ni Mamalingke? Pang-apat, 1, 2, 3, 4, ay 5 na pala. The 6th item, another Shein. Shein nga to, oh my God. This is short. Iba sa itsura niya. Iba yung itsura niya sa ano, ay, same pala. Pero in person, iba. Iba yung ano niya. Yeah, yan. Anyways, guys, again, XS to. Ang ganda ng ano, ng pagkatahi. Yes, XS to. And of course, I have to resize this again. This is for you. You want it?
No, I wouldn't. I don't wear shorts.
Hindi naman siya nag-shorts, guys. And the last one, but not the least, another bag. Another tote bag na naman tayo, guys. Parang nababaliw na ako sa mga tote bags. Uy! Hindi ko gusto yung tela. Hindi ko na naman tinignan ng pero ang ganda ng ano niya, no? Ang ganda ng painting niya, yung ano niya. Yes, it looks nice, diba? Yeah. Everyday at work. Everyday at work tayo. Oh my God. Panlalaki, this is for men. Yeah. I searched tote bag for men's. Ito. Yeah, this, diba? Pwede to dito. Yeah, it fits. Look at that, uy. O, diba? Wala siyang zipper. Ano lang, magnet lang. Ang ganda ng quality niya, actually.
Like good quality?
Yeah. Diba? So, sige na. Asa naman tayo mamalengke? Kasi mo koyog. Maganda siya pag ano, guys. Pag malayo siya tingnan. Maganda siya. Diba? I don't like the tela lang. I was expecting yung tela niya is anong tawag doon? Anyways.
What is it that you don't like?
It's
the color or what?
The cloth is satin or the
Okay.
Nylon, so vast.
Totally.
Akala ko kasi cotton. Well, another tote bag collection.
Maybe it's easier to clean if it's plastic.
Put in the washing machine. So, ayun guys. Yun ang bagong ni RC. Bagong habit. That's my new habit. Collecting tote bags.
At least it's cheaper than things from
Gucci. Also. Yeah. Ayun. Masaya naman. Saya no. Pwede natin tong i-keep. Maganda to siya, right? Right? Parang naiintindihan niya ako. You can keep this for something. Shoes.
Yeah,
When we travel, yes. Diba? So, yun lang po ang ating first time ever Shein haul. There will be next time, of course. And I'm looking forward for it, of course. So, ayun.